Hello and welcome back to AI Without Borders, the channel that explores the world of artificial intelligence and its impact on our society. Today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest problems with AI. AI has brought about immense progress in our world, making our lives easier and more efficient. It has revolutionized the way we work, communicate, and even entertain ourselves. But with all this progress, we cannot ignore the potential risks and problems that AI brings with it. The biggest problem with AI is that it can be biased. Bias in AI can have severe consequences and can affect every aspect of our lives. Let's dive into this problem and see how it can impact our society. One of the most significant challenges we face today is the problem of bias in AI. Bias in AI refers to the tendency of an AI system to produce results that are systematically prejudiced or unfair. This bias can stem from a variety of sources, including the data used to train the AI system, the algorithms and models used in the system, and the people who create and deploy the system. The consequences of bias in AI can be severe and far-reaching. In healthcare, AI is increasingly being used to help diagnose diseases, interpret medical images, and personalize treatments. However, if an AI system is biased towards a particular gender, race, or ethnicity, it can result in misdiagnosis, improper treatment, and even harm to patients. For example, a recent study found that the system used to diagnose skin cancer was less accurate in identifying cancer in people with darker skin tones. This can result in delayed or incorrect diagnosis and treatment, leading to potentially life-threatening consequences. Another area where bias in AI is a concern is criminal justice. AI systems are being used to help predict the likelihood of an individual committing a crime, decide bail or parole conditions, and even determine the length of a prison sentence. However, if a system is biased towards a particular race or ethnicity, it can lead to wrongful convictions and perpetuate systemic racism. For example, a recent study found that an AI system used by a U.S. court to predict the likelihood of an individual reoffending was biased against African American defendants. But the problem of bias in AI is not limited to healthcare and criminal justice. It can affect every aspect of our lives, from job recruitment and hiring to financial services and insurance. If the system is biased towards a particular group, it can result in discrimination and unfair treatment. One of the most pressing issues is the problem of AI giving wrong information. The issue of it giving wrong information is complex and multifaceted. There are several reasons why AI algorithms might produce inaccurate results, including biased or incomplete data, the complexity of the task, and the limitations of the technology itself. These factors can result in significant consequences, including financial losses, missed opportunities, reputational damage, and even harm to individuals or society. To address this challenge, we need to take a multifaceted approach that includes investing in research and development, developing more advanced AI algorithms, improving the quality of data that the systems are trained on, and improving transparency. To address the problem of bias in AI, researchers and experts are working towards creating more inclusive and unbiased AI systems. One approach is to ensure that the data used to train the systems is representative of all communities. This requires collecting and using data from diverse sources and making sure that the data is free from bias. Another approach is to develop algorithms and models that are designed to be fair and unbiased. This requires careful consideration of the potential biases and ethical implications of the AI system. Creating unbiased AI systems requires collaboration and cooperation between various stakeholders, including developers, researchers, and policymakers. It is essential to have diverse and inclusive teams working on AI projects to ensure that different perspectives and experiences are taken into account. Only then can we ensure that it is developed and deployed with ethics and fairness in mind. In conclusion, the problem of bias in AI is a significant challenge that we must address. We need to ensure that it is developed and deployed with ethics and fairness in mind to avoid the potential risks and problems associated with bias. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives while minimizing the risks of bias and discrimination. That's all for today's video. We hope that this video has shed some light on this critical issue and has inspired you. If you have any thoughts or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos about AI and its impact on the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.